The dollar index fairly traded very much in range and closed the week with a doji, and this is a candle of indecision. Yes, it failed to break above 1.022 and failed to breach below 1.013. Now remember, on the downside here is a very good support at 1 levels, and only 1.01 if it breaks it can call for the bears out there. So what to expect next week is the monetary policy, is the Fed's interest rate decision is going to bring an impact, and which direction it is going to break, that we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Yes, do watch till the end of this analysis, where we are going to give the trading levels and strategy for next week. First we'll look into the charts followed with indicators. So do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels. Now let's have a look at the weekly charts. So on the weekly charts, see, this was the first phase of increasing bearishness. Then this next leg has started, which is a sideways bearish movement, and now it is waiting for another opportunity for it to continue with the movement on either which ways. Now two possibilities can happen here. Yes, it is a very strong support zone. We have seen this and it has completed the journey till here. We have seen the rise here and it has completed the journey till here. Now it is waiting for a breakout. So if it break out on the downside, the 0.98, 0.99 levels, yes, this zone is a very important support zone, and possibility of it to retest these levels also exists only and only if it breaks past 1.01 levels. Only and only if it breaks past 1.01 levels, you can say that the possibility of it to retest 0.98 will increase in the near future. Now also on the weekly charts, another observation to look at it here is the two highs here which we had. Now these two highs are very important. At the same time, if you look at the lows are very much within this channel. I have drawn it a little bit off. You can say the bottom of the channel at 1.01 and the highs at 1.04. It is still very much trading in this channel. So I'll wait for it to break past any of these in order to give a clear-cut direction. A retracement is possible. A retracement till towards 1.03 levels is possible, which is going to be the first and very strong support resistance zone, and then this 1.04 zone. So it has to break past these in order to trade bullish. Now this is on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the daily charts also. Now on the daily charts, very interestingly, it is getting the support. See, consistently 4 to 5 candles getting the support at 1.04, 1.03 levels, and the resistance at 1.02. So yes, it has to break out either of this zone. It has to break out above and below so that it can give a clear cut direction. Any breakout below 1.03, 1.013, certainly that is the indication beyond which it is going to drop heavily for 1.01, and below that definitely we can see a sharper move there. That is the first part. At the same time, a trade above, so now see, flat bottom, increasing bullishness here. 1.02 if it takes, I will look forward to 1.025 and 1.026 zone if it breaks beyond this, because the next target is going to be 1.03. So yes, it is trying to look forward to a reversal here, creating the base there probably, but it has to break out on the upside, then only I will confirm a bullishness. 1.024, 022 levels it has to break past by, then 1.026, and then only I will consider this for a reversal, else it can continue to trade downside, as it has still got much of downside to achieve, which is 0.98, 0.96 zone. Yes, it may try to achieve those levels before it tries to reverse. Now look at the monthly chart. Now look at the monthly charts. Yes, the journey is complete. Whatever the rise it has seen, it has, all the gains have been eroded. Now also if you look at the last two candles, see lower highs and a tail and a body there. Once it breaks out below 1.01 levels, the next destination is 0.98. I am telling you again, first at 0.1 levels and then 0.98. These levels are achievable if it continues to trade on the downside. Now those who are looking forward to if it can give bullish moves in a row, and if it can give bearish moves it can give you another bearish move also. At the same time, look what it has done. 4 bullish candle, 4 bearish candle, all moves are done. Then the bearish candle, so possibly a bullish candle failing to breach past 1.05. Then the next candle, so if it is trying to form a symmetry, then possibly this the monthly candle for the next month, that is February, it may try to be a greener candle, but I will still expect it to drop in the next month also before it looks over to rise. Now we have seen the charts. Let's have a look at the indicators. What does the indicators are suggestive of? And if you look at the indicators, yes, it is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. Yes, it is trading below the 20, 50, 100 period moving averages, which is trading with divergence, indicating near-term bearishness here. Now it has to break past. Now see this, it has to break past 1.025, which is the 20 period moving average, which is the first resistance zone, and then 1.035 levels, only above which it should be considered for a little rise. The directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is trying to look upwards again. The MACD has crossed over, and this is a bullish cross, and this is happening at a bottom. Now this is one sign which is giving a bullish indication that it can continue to trade bullish. And if you look at the RSI, this is fairly trading at bottom. Now if you look at the weekly charts, on the weekly charts, now see the 20 and 50 period moving averages are trying to converge. They are still trading with divergence here, and yes, this was the inflection point, and since then everything is trying to converge. I will wait for this week how it behaves, that we need to look forward to. Now if you look at the directional movement, this is bearish, this is still trading with divergence. The stochastic is oversold, which calls for a little bullish move here because it has been trading oversold for weeks now. The MACD is divergent and bearish, probably it must converge from here. The RSI is looking down here, which is a bearish sign. Now if you look at the monthly charts, yes, the support levels are far below at 9.98.96 till the time it is going to remain bullish. The directional movement is willing to converge, crossover for a sell entry on the monthly charts. The stochastic, after trading overbought for months, it has completed the journey in just 2-3 months and now has come to oversold zone. The MACD is also willing to converge, crossover, possibly in next couple of months also we can see trading bear. The RSI is trying to look downwards here. So on the monthly charts, yes, probably the retracement on the upside can be seen. However, largely we can see a little more bearishness in the coming few weeks. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the levels and strategy for you so that you can trade accordingly. Now see, first we'll talk about the buy entries. 1.018 levels you can buy here. And yes, before I give you the complete entry points, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, if you want to equip yourself with the tools, techniques and strategies such that you can trade profitably and become a confident trader, the strategies which are applicable to be it currencies, commodities, be it indices or be it cryptocurrency, such strategies will definitely help you in each and every instrument there. Do not miss this opportunity to join this batch. The 19th batch is going to start on 6th of February. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. So next week, if you see it trading at 1.018, you can buy, but then 1.02, the first resistance zone, which is going to give it a very tough resistance. And if it breaks beyond the next target which I will look forward to is 1.022 levels, and then it may, if it breaks past 1.022, you can expect that it may give you good bullish move for 1.025, and then further if it breaks this, then you can stay long for next couple of weeks also. We will look forward to 1.03, 1.035, and sky is the limit on the upside. However, I do not see it breaking 1.0506 zone any point of time soon. That is the highs of this channel. 1.04 levels also can be seen. On the downside, where to sell, remember it can bring you good swings with the interest rate hike decision, and also this is going to be the monthly candle beginning, and hence the direction which it takes in the month beginning is going to remain the direction for the month. On the downside, if it breaks below 1.0125, stay short. Expect that we are looking at 1.01, my favorite and my most expected number, most desired number 1.01, because below that it will give me an opportunity to remain short on dollar index 1.004 and then 1.00 levels. If it breaks below the zone at 1.00, it will call for the further bearishness in next few days, few weeks. We can see it hitting 0.995 first resistance, 0.9912 the next, and then we can see it hitting 0.98 very soon here in next few weeks itself. So on the downside, trade your trades with caution. On the upside, also trade with caution. In between these zone, you have to remain extra cautious. Above and below, keep booking your profits at each of these levels. Keep re-entering if you see it trading in your direction. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.